Bats play a lot of roles in our environment. They can have a positive impact on environmental processes that are linked to climate change. Here are some ways in which bats can influence climate change. Bats are unstoppable insect predators, eating huge numbers of insects every night. By controlling insect populations, including farming pests like moths and beetles, bats reduce the need for chemical pesticides. This can lead to less greenhouse gas emissions. Some bat species are important pollinators and seed spreaders for plants, including trees and crops. Bat guano is rich in nutrients and serves as a valuable fertilizer. When bats root in large numbers, their guano can enrich soil fertility, leading to increased plant growth. Bat populations worldwide are facing numerous threats, many of which are made worse by human activities and climate change itself. These threats include habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. Protecting bat populations is important for maintaining the resilience and balance of ecosystems in the face of climate change.
My name is Anthony.
My name is Ava.
And I'm Kathleen. We're students in Ms. Brandon's 7th grade class, and we're participating in the Student Climate Challenge.
For our projects, we wanted to explain the bat box and how to make one. Our goal is to help create a sustainable living space for the bats.
Bat boxes can improve our environment by getting rid of the harmful insects that are destroying our crops.
We're going to place our bat boxes up high on the trees to try to float them.
You ready? Let's go.
We're outside in our community garden and we're going to hang our bat boxes.
Here we are in our community garden where we're going to hang our bat boxes. Bat boxes improve the environment
by reducing from the needs of pesticide
and help the soil.